Hey yo everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a reaction. The reaction is see it on my hand is the TikTok challenge. It's really amazing video. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share to friend. You're watching a reaction video. And my name is Na. I'm your friend from media. So must subscribe and must comment if you like this TikTok video. So let's check out. Oh.
What, babe? My phone?
Oh.
Hey, you're gonna break it! Your anxiety ball? Are you having anxiety? What the? Some money?
No.
What? Okay, I know what that means.
Oh yes.
What,
Wow.
baby? Do you want your money? Do you want to get freaky? What do you want your PS5? I know what you want. Do you want two Latinas? Again? I know what you want. What?
Wow. It's nice.
There we go. Thank you.
Are you serious?
No.
Alright, you want some candy? Alright, take some candy.
It's amazing. No.
There you go. That's my girl.
Amazing.
What, baby? My phone? Here. What do you want? Oh. I know what you want again.
Ew, you nasty ass.
Put your hand out and see what your girlfriend does.
Seltzer?
Booty?
Babe. Baby. Babe. Babe.
Eat a fat one.
You too.
Oh, titty. Baby.
This is nice.
Try again.
I'm trying.
Oh.
Is this what you want to do? Oh, you want me to come here? What do you want? No? Okay. I don't understand. Do you want a titty? Like, I don't understand.
Way to think outside the box.
I was meeting your needs. I mean, that was your money.
Wow guys, it's really amazing video. Wow, it's so nice, you know. It's an amazing TikTok challenge. If you like this video, so must subscribe. I'm your friend from India, and this is really amazing funny video. If you like, so must subscribe. So love you all, take care, bye bye.